Coding is changing fast. And these AI tools can make it easier than ever. In this video, I tested 5 powerful AI tools that can write code, fix errors, and even build projects. Let's see which one is the best. First, Replit. Replit lets you code directly in your browser. No setup, no installation. It also has built-in AI that can create apps from simple instructions. This makes it perfect for beginners. Next, Cursor AI. Cursor is a smart code editor. It understands your full project. You can ask it to fix bugs or improve your code instantly. It feels like coding with a personal assistant. Now, GitHub Copilot. Copilot suggests code while you type. It helps you code faster and saves a lot of time. This tool is great for developers. Next, ChatGPT. ChatGPT can write full programs, explain code, and fix errors. It is one of the best tools for learning coding. Finally, Claude AI. Claude is great for long and complex code. It explains everything clearly and helps you understand deeply. So which tool should you use? If you are a beginner, use Replit and ChatGPT. If you want faster coding, use Cursor and Copilot. If you want deep understanding, use Claude. If you found this helpful, subscribe to AI Simplify, and I will see you in the next video.